Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here. Last night I uploaded a video about the use of Valvoline Restore Protect in turbocharged applications. Interestingly, a topic about the use of this oil in Euro vehicles came up. Now it's not a coincidence that I'm in my sibling's Audi A8. I have been wondering myself why this oil does not meet the Audi specs. So I messaged Valvoline last night to ask why the Restore Protect can't be used in an Audi. I also asked them, if this oil has such high specs and cleaning properties, then why isn't it recommended for these Euro engines? Here's what they said. Not all internal combustion engines are the same. Each vehicle manufacturer recommends the use of precisely determined oil formulas that provide the engine with optimal lubrication and protection. That is exactly why European lubricant manufacturers need to abide by the engine oil standards set by the ACEA. European oils are formulated for both gas and light-duty diesel engines. Restore and Protect has only been tested and approved for API, SP, and ILSAC GF6A requirements for gasoline engines. It has not been formulated nor tested to meet ACEA specifications for European vehicle OEM approvals for European gasoline and diesel engines. You can read more about ACEA specifications here. And I'll put this link in the description for anyone who's interested. Our blog and FAQ sections are full of detailed information if you wish to learn more about our products. They are worth the read. Also, in case you're wondering, I also asked if they were going to make a Restore and Protect product for Euro cars. I haven't heard back, and I don't think I will, to be honest. I do have a question for you all though. Would you want a Euro version of the Restore and Protect? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you're watching one of my videos for the first time, consider checking out my other videos on my channel. You'll find videos of me opening up oil filters, videos about how I'm getting my truck to 500,000 miles, product reviews, among other things. Please check it out.